have a full waxing kit today for review. This is on Amazon and this is the box. This literally has everything you need in it to get started on your home waxing journey. It does include your popsicle sticks or application sticks, whatever you want to call them. It has the big ones, the small ones if you're going to use your face, and it has a pre-waxing spray. It has an after spray. Now the after spray is kind of oily, but it does smooth your skin and help lessen the redness and stuff in it. And it comes included with 5, that's right, 5 bags of melting wax or wax removal, whatever you want to call it. You have 5 different scents. This one is peppermint. This one is eucalyptus. This one is lemon. And this one is tea tree. And the one that I use, I believe I have the package seal. I do. It is lavender. That's the one I used. So it comes with the little brochure here telling you how to wax and all the instructions, how high you need to turn it on to get your wax to melt. Has all these little things here, your warranty card, this with the little whatchamacallit on the back of it. And there are also these. These I do recommend using. This is the machine right here. When you use it, you put one of these right here. So when you're waxing, you can wipe it off on there and not get wax all over the place. It has this nice little carry on here, or pull out here, bucket, whatever you want to call it. I still have wax in it because I didn't use all of it. That is my wax. See, it's nice and hard, not gooey at all. I can like stick it in there and nothing's happening. But when you heat it up, it's nice and thick. Now, I don't really have a lot of hair. I know I don't have a lot of body here. I tried to get somebody to come be my guinea pig for my video, and nobody was willing to do it, even if I didn't show their face. So I attempted to do it on me, knowing that I don't have a lot of body hair. It's very fair. You can't really see a lot of it on camera. But I still did it, and it still removed stuff. I don't know if you can see, but like my arms are nice and smooth. That is what I waxed. And when you wax, generally the hair doesn't grow back for like a month, so it stays nice and smooth. I do like the idea that like when you get Wolverine hands, hairy knuckles, and a hairy backhand, you can just rip it off and have nice lady hands again, and it'll stay that way. So I do really like that. I haven't really used it anywhere else because I don't really have a lot of hair growing, but for me, I really liked it. I felt that it was easy to use and it was easy cleanup and very effective results. It wasn't hard at all. You don't need cloth or anything to pull it and wax it. You just put the wax on, let it harden, and then rip the wax back. I didn't find it very painful. I did see little spots of blood and redness from pulling it out, but like it didn't hurt. My arms were a little red afterwards. There were little red spots everywhere. I don't know if that was because I was literally pulling it by the root, or if like my skin is sensitive, because it is sensitive. But after a couple days, it was the redness was completely gone. I would assume that if your skin's not as sensitive, the redness probably won't last as long, but it was very quick for me. It was not really an issue. I do like the way my skin's looking now. Very smooth. I'm definitely going to do it again. So the other thing is, I have to say, this is, you know, you think of these as really large. This is not really large. This is really small. So if you wanted to hook this up in your bathroom and use it, you can. It won't take up a lot of space, even if you have a small sink area. I think that it's really easy to store, again, because it is so small. It doesn't take up a lot of space, so it's not like a big bulky appliance, because let's be honest, a lot of the beauty treatments and machines that we use to maintain ourselves do take up a lot of space. So I am very happy with the size of this because I feel like it's easy to manage. Another thing is, you would think a kit like this would be very expensive because you have 5 bags of wax, your before and after spray, and the actual machine itself. It is not very expensive. I believe it's on sale right now for around 60 bucks on Amazon. But even at that, that's like a huge deal for like all of that to wax yourself. I think that's a really great deal. Of course, I'm going to have the link below in this video. But anyways, yes, this is an Amazon find, and this brand is Tress Wellness. Definitely check out these home waxing machines. I think this is a great deal and a great kit, and will definitely help you maintain your hairless physique.